With as many downward dogs that we do in class, it's important that our form is correct. This partially restorative version of downward facing dog allows us to have more awareness around the upper arms and the lower arms especially. We'll take a loop about shoulder width apart, place it on the upper arms, and as we're in our downward facing dog, we're going to press into that belt so that the upper arms are drawing away from each other. Now, measuring out our downward facing dog, we're going to tuck the toes under in child's pose and reach the arms way far forward. That's the distance from the hands to the feet, and the feet are hip width apart. With our head on the block, the strap around our upper arms is helping us press into that strap so that the upper arms are moving away from each other, creating more space for the neck, and the lower arms are tracking towards each other. So let's come out and I'll show you a different position for the neck. There's just a slight adjustment for the belt because we're going to put the belt behind the head. We want to ensure the buckle is on the outside and not pressing into the head. We'll take our hands down to the ground and then we see that the block is there to support the head. I'm going to bend the knees to lengthen the spine, and as you can see here, it feels like the block is a little too high. So I'm going to tip the block downwards and then the neck can truly release. Staying here, lengthening the spine, and when you're ready, bend the knees to slowly come down, being ginger about releasing the belt around the head. And resting in child's pose. To assist this pose, first check that strap around the upper arms. You can tighten it for them, just have them come out of the pose a little bit. And then we can even be more of assistance by helping them get their head in front of that strap, so the strap is encouraging the neck release. You can place the block under there for added support. And then place one hand on that upper back for support. And if their hand is slipping at all, you could always fold back that blanket so their hand can be on the mat directly. And then grounding down through the thumb and forefinger. Great.